We are back at 10:14, and we are just days away from a total solar eclipse. It's set to happen Monday, this coming Monday, April 8th. And so we want to get you prepared for it. And John and I are here at the weather wall with more on what you need to know ahead of the big event. So John's prepared a few things. And let's walk through it. I'm excited for this.
I can't believe it's here, James. I know both of us have been really looking forward to this, so we had to bring the drama.
There you go.
It's an eclipse, and it's not going to be a total eclipse for us, but we are going to see a partial eclipse, which is pretty cool.
Okay.
So as we probably know, the solar eclipse is when the moon sits right between the sun and us. And we are going to be in the penumbra, not the umbra, which would bring the full shadow, but close enough, right?
Yeah, I like this visual. It kind of helps me understand this whole like path of totality and all that stuff.
Exactly.
But, oh, these are the viewing tips. Let's go through these.
Yep, and some of these will be a given, but it's always a good reminder.
Yeah.
Don't look directly at the sun, and don't trust your normal sunglasses either.
Yeah, that's not
even some of the ones you might be buying on the street and stuff. You really want to make sure that they're like verified eclipse viewing glasses.
Because the actual eclipse glasses are much darker than normal sunglasses.
The last thing you want to do is trust it too much and then find yourself being like, okay, that didn't work out too well for me.
Okay.
I mean, it's even safer to remove do indirectly.
Okay.
And so there's like tricks that you can do with like boxes and stuff. I recommend going online for all those little handy tips.
There's a ton of them.
But we are not going to be in that path of totality. This is the thing, James. There are spots that are going to be really solid for it. I know it's late to adjust those plane flights.
Right.
But Texas is not going to be one of those areas.
Too cloudy.
It's looking really cloudy.
Okay.
The best is looking like it's going to be Maine to New York, actually.
So right up here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you kind of got the luck of the draw and went up there, you're good to go. Here in the Bay Area, we're 20% in the shadow there. So you will still have cool viewing.
So this is kind of what we're going to see then?
So yeah, kind of like this, just that partial coverage right there.
Okay.
And the good thing for us, James, is first of all, we don't have to fly anywhere, but second, it's going to be so nice and sunny for it.
I feel bad for people who bought tickets to Texas.
I know, yeah, Texas, here's it going through Texas. Maybe not ideal, but we're going to get it right after 11 a.m. on Monday. So keep your eye out right around that point.
So right after we sign off here,
totally,
you just like walk outside and
I have a feeling we'll all just be hanging out at work for a little bit, watching it all together, which will be so exciting.
So are we actually going to see like the light kind of dim a little bit?
Yeah, so we'll see it just a little bit. We're far enough away that it's not going to be like super dramatic, but it will feel like, because we're going to be super sunny, it'll feel like clouds passing overhead. Okay. Just a little lighter around that time.
All right. Yeah. Well, I know that the Exploratorium is going to be holding a viewing party where they've got cameras kind of in the path of totality. So if you want to take part and head there, it's from 11 to 12:30 right there on Pier 15 along the Embarcadero, and they're going to have those live images. This is a free with admission, so you got to pay to get in. But once you're in, you can go to this total solar eclipse watch party for free once you're inside.
That'd be kind of fun to do.
Right?
I wonder if it's sold out, because I'll have to look at tickets. Yeah, I'm sure it's not if we're talking about it. But we are going to be looking at a beautiful day today. It's just chilly. By Eclipse Day on Monday, we're warming up. It's actually going to be really comfortable come Monday, and it's going to feel a lot noticeably warmer than where we're sitting currently. A bit of an eclipse going on half the bridge right now. That's just from a cloud, though. Half shaded, half under the sunshine currently. We are going to be seeing spotty showers today, still hanging out with us. You can see some of those right up and down the coastline just south of Half Moon Bay, as well as out into the Central Valley. The Sierra is still looking at some snowfall, and that's going to hang out with us through the day up there if you do happen to be planning on going up and doing some skiing. Low pressure is now starting to move out of the region, leaving us behind with now just a cold weekend forecast ahead of us. Much colder than average for this time of year, and with a few lingering showers. Here's 3:30 p.m. from Oakland down through San Jose. Chance of some isolated showers. Inland areas towards the very close of the afternoon could see an isolated thunderstorm. We clear out tonight, and tomorrow is your most consistently dry day of the forecast. Saturday night into Sunday morning, we do see a few lingering showers possible, mostly while we're sleeping. Pretty nicely timed right there. After that, though, we are smooth sailing, and after a cool Sunday, Monday warms up just in time for getting outside and taking in the eclipse. As for our rainfall totals the rest of the weekend, seeing less than 1/10 of an inch. It really is the heaviest stuff has already moved out. Winter weather advisory still remains in the Sierra, and a winter storm warning still remains in Southern California and the mountains above LA. They've also had quite the cool down and quite the wet forecast. We will be looking at snow level continuing to fall to 1,000 feet. We saw that this morning as temperatures got as cold as they did. Now, temperatures this afternoon are going to be in the mid to upper 50s, a pretty pleasant afternoon. And if it wasn't for that slight chance of a sprinkle for opening day at the Giants, I'd say you just get out there with your normal Giants gear. But I'm going to advise you to at least keep the rain jacket in the pack with you, just in case we do see a brief shower moving overhead. I can't completely rule it out during game time. Temperatures tomorrow and Sunday in the low 60s, so we get a little bit more mild. Temperatures increasingly warm towards Monday for the eclipse, and even warmer yet towards the middle of next week. James?
Okay, thank you very much.